You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. I know it confuses a lot of people, and it's often mispronounced too. It's borrowed from German, also Dutch, and in those languages, German, Wilhelmina, although the H is not necessarily pronounced, so sometimes could be pronounced Wilhelmina as well. In German and Dutch, the W is pronounced like a V. Now, in English, it's either Wilhelmina, the same, the H is not necessarily pronounced, so Wilhelmina or Wilhelmina. I think in English it's generally more pronounced Wilhelmina. What do you think? How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce the H? Do you pronounce the V like a W? How do you say it? Let us know in the comments and where you're from, so we can learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.